Someone punched a hole in the wall. Wasn't me, but still holes. I'm gonna try to make myself a skeleton, which probably won't work out that well because your girl ain't no artist. She can make messes though. I'll be there for you. Oh, these eyebrows are like 2 days old. I'm not kidding. Fuck! This white eyeshadow base, liquid eyeliner. And the first thing I'm gonna do is like, I want it to be like that much. I'm not gonna like make my entire fucking face a skeleton because I'm not fucking stupid. I'm a little stupid. I have this eyeshadow base and none of it left, so we're just gonna make do. We love a spooky sister. I hate myself. I don't know why I do this to myself because I like have absolutely none of the things that I need. I mean, like, I have like one white eyeshadow, lol. It's not even that white, but you know, it's fine, it's fine. Okay. Oh, bitch. Oh, wait, what the, okay, I have this like really shitty setting powder, so that might work. Powder, ooh. I hate my life. Just had, oh, I'm so, I got this from Ipsy. I don't know how well this is gonna like do the job. I guess we'll see. We'll see if this makes my face like dead ass white. Ooh, bitch. We might be getting somewhere. We might be getting lung cancer. This is like goes to show like never get this setting powder. This isn't the white I was going for, but holy shit. This is everywhere. Really, I just need about 20 more of those. Okay, I'm gonna not record all this. This is gonna take me like 20 minutes. So I'm gonna be back. I really have to itch my lip. I started out with using this shit and this brush, but I went back and I used this white eyeliner because when I started it looked like shit. Now it doesn't look like that bad, it still looks kind of bad. So I was kind of right, this took me about half an hour. So this right here, I started out with like small as fuck and then I was like, nah, this ain't gonna work. I don't really have a vision for this, like I'm just like winging this shit. Like I think I'm gonna put black eyeshadow right here and like buff it out like to my like, you know what I'm saying? And then I'm gonna fill in the teeth with this, like I'm gonna make them like purely white. Hopefully this doesn't look like shit because that took a very long time, so I'll be right back. I think I'm gonna put like black eyeshadow. I really should have done this before I did this. I realize that now, but I didn't. So I'm gonna put black eyeshadow right here and then like throughout the rest of it. I look stupid right now, but like that was kind of the objective, so I probably shouldn't do that. I think I'm just gonna go into the Lorac palette and use this black because it's like super black. And I'm gonna use this brush. It does not have a brand. There's also gonna get hella sparkles on my hands, but this shit black as fuck. Like, I think I should use a smaller brush to do this. Like, bitch, look at me. So I think what I'm gonna do, I don't know, I haven't really figured out like this whole situation, but I think I'm gonna fill them in white and then outline it in black, and then I'm gonna put some like white detail over here. Bitch, look at me. I look stupid. I look like I don't want to like laugh too hard. like a middle-aged man having a life crisis, like, you know? Okay. I kind of like did that, you know? Okay. I'm gonna fill all these in white. Okay, so I'm done with that. And I think that this looks a lot better now. And then the things, I use this. Wow, I'm a beauty guru. Hi, nice to meet you. This is an eyeshadow base. Are you fucking kidding me? I have this eyeshadow base and I'm gonna just put some setting powder on top of that. So this is where we're at. And I think right now I'm gonna outline. I feel like I'm just gonna fuck it up so bad because like I really suck at doing eyeliner. Like just using this pencil in general like sucks. Okay, I'll be back in. I've been doing this for way too long. But this looks badass. Like, not to toot my own horn or anything, but damn. So I'm gonna just use this like tiny ass brush and the same black that I used on my face. I've been doing this for so long. So long. Damn. Pretty proud of myself. Alright, so I'll be back. Bro. Bro. Oh, shit. I don't think I've ever used this much black eyeshadow in like a year. Like, just dope as fuck. Like, okay, now I need to get myself a nose. Which, yeah, I need a nose. That's the reason I took my nose ring out. So, okay. I think, so I'm gonna use my liquid liner to like sketch it out. There's filled in with this. I look so stupid right now. And this looks pretty dope. Try. What food? Yeah, I do. Just give me a sec. Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh my fucking god. My stepmom just texted me and we're going out to eat. You got me so fucked up. Oh. Can we go through the drive-thru? Damn. Fuck that shit up. They said they were waiting in the car. Watch, they're gonna come in here and be like, hurry! And be like, oops. Alright. I think that concludes that. Bitch, we done. I think I'm done. Am I? Yeah, I think I'm done. Okay. Bye.